YouTube, I'm back with another video. I know it's been a little minute since you've seen this pretty face of mine, but but now that I have a lot more time, I'm definitely going to be recording and posting a lot more videos. So every Tuesday and Saturday, make sure you guys be on the lookout. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, anything you need to do to get to this video or any of my other videos. But yeah, today I'm gonna be doing this Christmas holiday look. I'm gonna do multiple videos like this, but this is like one of the looks that I came up with. This is an easy 3 eyeshadow kind of look. It's not gonna take up much of your time. Without further ado, into this video. So I've already washed my face and moisturized. Now I'm gonna be taking my primer, which is the Smashbox Photo Finish. I don't know, my lighting's a little bad. And then I'm also gonna be taking the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. Now since I've already did my brows, I did that off camera, I'm gonna be taking my Too Faced Born This Way. This is in the shade Mocha. Ever since I noticed that the colors show more when I don't set my eyes, I haven't set my eyes since. So I feel like I'm still learning. I learn something new every day with makeup, so bear with me if you feel like I'm not doing it right. And there's really no rules in makeup anyway, so you do it how you do it. Do you, honey? Do you, boo-boo? Do you? Excuse my palettes, okay? They've been through some things, okay? If they look a little rough. And I've had them for a long time. So first I'll be starting off with the Morphe 12P palette. I'm gonna start off using this red shade right here. Next I'm gonna be taking the Morphe 350 palette. I'm going to be doing this dark red down here. Now that I applied my 2 crease colors, I'm going to be using this blending brush I got from NYX, NYX, whatever you want to call it. Because at first I used to call it NYX, then I heard people calling it NYX. I was like, whatever, NYX, NYX, whatever. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But I'm just gonna be taking this. This is clean. I'm gonna be taking this to blend my 2 colors in, and then last but not least, I'll be doing a cut crease, and then I'll be putting my last shade on, which is green. It's a cute green too. I'm just gonna take, as you can see, I think it's like a shader, like a shade brush. You can say, I forgot the name of it. Awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney soon. Now that I've done my crease cut, I'm going to be taking another brush that I got in a set from Morphe, and then I'm going to be taking The Vault by Jaclyn Hill and Morphe, and I'm going to be using, this one is called Dark Magic, and I'll be taking this color, pretty green right here. This one is called Trickery. Next I'm going to be taking this Liquid Crystal Body Liner by NYX. Think of all the fun I've missed. Think of all. I'm gonna kind of let it dry before I fully open my eye, because the last time I did this, I noticed like when I opened my eye, like right away, it got everywhere. It was like everywhere over my lid, and it was not cute. Santa baby, Santa baby, Santa baby. This is the final product of the eyes. Now I'm just gonna take a makeup wipe and just clean that up a bit. Now I'm going to be taking my Makeup Forever foundation. Before I blend my foundation in, I like to take Unicorn Essence primer, and I like to do it like this and then blend it in. I used to have the 24 karat gold, and I used that as well, but I ran out, so I have to get some more. I'll be using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Mocha.
Santa cutie, Santa cutie, and fill my stocking with a duplex and checks. Sign your ex on the line, Santa cutie, and hurry down the chimney tonight. Come and trim my Christmas tree with some decorations for that Tiffany. I really do believe in you. Let's see if you believe in me. Santa baby, Santa baby, Santa baby. Forgot to mention one little thing. A ring. I don't mean.
I'll be using the translucent powder in medium deep. I actually love, when I found out that they had a medium deep, like, you know, like a brown thing, I was, sorry for my dog in the back. After I put my translucent powder on, I like to contour. This is a Smashbox contour palette. I'll be using this buddy right here. That's a lot of fallout. We cannot forget to snatch the nose. Now I'm just dusting off my translucent powder. So I'm gonna go back in with the Morphe 12P palette. I'm gonna use this red and this dark green down here to put under my under eye. I'm gonna be taking the same liner, gold line that I use on the top of my lid to the corner of my eyes. I'm still actually learning how to do lashes. It takes me almost 30 minutes to put my lashes on, but to put someone else's lashes on, 2 minutes. It's probably not even that, like, quick. So I still just wear my regular lashes unless it's like an occasion, then I'll take that 30 minutes to put lashes on, but otherwise I'll just use my regular lashes because they are still kind of long. With the mascara that I use, they kind of come out looking like false lashes sometimes. Like, some people will say, like, is that your real lashes or those fake? Real lashes, sweetie, real I'm gonna be taking this this lash curly that I got from Sephora years ago. I'm just gonna curl my real lashes and then I'm gonna put some mascara on. I use 3 different mascaras. I know, 3. But first off, I usually start off by using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and then I'll use Benefit, their real mascara, and this is Benefit Bad Girl Bang It. Do you notice the difference that it makes? Like, what? Fake lashes where? Not here. Last but not least is the lips. I'm gonna be doing like an ombre kind of lip, and I really don't do that, so bear with me, guys, okay? I have NYX Liquid Sweat. All done with the look. Last thing I'm going to do is use my Morphe setting spray. Of course, shake it first and then spray. I was wrong. The last thing I'm going to do is use my highlighter, and this is Becca Shimmering Skin something press. It's kind of messed up in the back, so I can't read it, but I'm going to be, I think this is color Topaz. Yeah, this is color Topaz. It's a phrase that me and my friends use, that we came up, well, my best friend came up with while we were in Vegas. But it's so funny. Every time I'm using highlighter, I always think about it. Highlight your life. Literally, highlight your life, okay? Okay, highlighter come through. Yes. I don't really use my fingers, but the brush that I use, I forgot it at my friend's house, so I have to use my fingers. So this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you guys like and subscribe and give me a thumbs up. See you next time, guys.